Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In the following video, I will guide you to fix this group cannot be displayed on Telegram. Now, if you are willing to use some groups, or if you want to see the content inside the group but you are not being able to go in the group because the sensitive content cannot be displayed in the group, then this is the video for you. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. If you want to fix such type of thing, then it means that the group has been restricted due to the content filtering or the country specific regulations. Now you can fix it by following the ways shown in the video. So open Telegram on a device for the first time, and after that go on settings, and you need to click on the option of my profile, or you may click on the option of edited highlight, which is at the very top, right? So you need to click on the option of edit again. So after that you need to click on the option of date of birth, and from here you need to change the date of birth and make sure that you keep the date of birth above 18 years old. So after that click on the option of done. So after doing this, you will be able to see the sensitive content inside the group. But if you are still not being able to see, then you need to go on settings on a device, and under settings you need to click on the option of general, and under general click on the option of iPhone storage. So under iPhone storage you need to find the group, or you need to find the Telegram app on your settings, and here it is. So click on it, and here you'll see the option of offload app, which is highlighted on blue. So you need to click on the option of offload app. By offloading the app, it will help you to fix the errors or problems which are occurring on your Telegram app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.